Hello! Welcome back po dito sa Angel Francia PH Tarot, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Mga madam and sir, I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan today. So, ayan. Bago ako magsisimula, gusto ko lang i-announce na parating ng ating Evil Eye Bracelet. Pangontra sa mga inggit, sa mga friends, sa mga kapitbahay, sa mga coworkers mo na may posibleng may bad intentions sa iyo. Okay? So, protection yun. And also, yung evil eye, ano din siya, nagbibigay din siya ng pampaswerte sa mga wearer. Okay? Sa taong nagsusuot nun. Okay? So, available siya next week, 700 pesos. May kasamang ritual. Okay? And of course, bago ko ipapa-ship yung mga items niyo, mga madam and sir, ginagawan ko yan ng ritual. Okay? Ginagawan ko yan ng dasal. Kaya, wala na pong COD sa Shopee. Okay? Ayan. Alright. Sa video na to, mga madam and sir Aries, alamin natin kung ano ang mga katangian or qualities or mga katangian na gustong-gusto ng mga tao at hindi. Mga gusto at hindi nila sa'yo. Yung mga katangian mo na ina-admire nila, hinahangaan nila, at yung namang mga ayaw nila sa'yo. Okay? So, bad and good to ito. So, okay, paalala lang, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat kasi this is a general reading. And bawal po dito ang, take this as, na lang, para ma-correct ninyo yung mga katangian ninyo, or mga attitude ninyo, o yung mga ugali ninyo na ayaw ng ibang tao. Para ma-realize ninyo na, yan pala, meron pala akong ganyan, kaya pala hindi, ayaw nila sa akin. Okay? But, if hindi ka naman aware, okay, or if hindi naman nagre-resonate sa inyo, huwag niyo kunin. Cross-watchers, kayo ang makakapag-prove na yung Aries ganyan. Kung may kilala kayong Aries na, ay, totoo yan, ganyan siya, kaya ayaw na ayaw ko siya. Parang ganon, okay? So, ayan. Be receptive and be open-minded na lang, okay? So, Aries, ano yung mga katangian? Aries din ako, Aries rising ako, kaya curious ako. Ano ang mga katangian na ina-admire ng mga taong nakapalibot sa iyo? This could be your family, friends, your loved ones, or your crush, di ba? Mga friends mo, mga kapitbahay mo, neighbors, ayan. Ano mga katangian na ina-admire nila sa iyo? At ano naman yung mga hindi nila gusto about sa'yo, okay? Siyempre, nobody is perfect, di ba? And we cannot please everybody. So, talagang may mga taong ayaw sa atin. Okay, so tignan natin. Ooh, you are wild, Pisces! So, yan ang tingin nila sa'yo. You are very wild. Napaka-wild mo. Yung iba, okay? Kung hindi ka nagre-resonate dito, huwag niyong kunin, okay? So, some of you are Aries. Okay? A lot of people think that you are wild. Yeah. Ako, napagsabihan na ako na wild child ako. Okay, let's see. I have a book here. Tignan natin kung number 40. Wild. Bakit ka napagsabihan na wild? Okay. Tignan natin. Antisocial. Killjoy, manipulation. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, antisocial. Yung iba, ayaw nila sa'yo yan. Kasi, antisocial ka. Mahirap ka, kumbaga, i-please. And, yung iba sa inyo, killjoy. And, mahilig kayo mag-manipulate ng tao. Tama ba? Okay. So, maybe, yung iba sa inyo, that's the reason why ayaw nila. Yan ang mga katangian na parang hindi nila maintindihan sa'yo or hindi nila nagustuhan, hindi nila na-appreciate, no, na minsan yung iba sa inyo wild. Wild and killjoy, killjoy, antisocial. Ako, antisocial ako, okay? Mostly lumalabas yan. Pero may time naman na gusto ko ng bihira lang ako makipag-socialize. Totoo yan, antisocial ako. Okay, let's take this. Next, you have abandoned. Okay. So, some of you Aries, you feel abandoned. Let's see. Number 32. Abandoned. Okay, I feel like with this word abandoned, there is this feeling na there is this feeling of lack. You feel Aries, dahil feeling mo hindi ka nila naintindihan. And I feel like Aries, iba sa inyo, the bad side is mahilig kang mang-iwan ng tao. Tama ba? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, madaling mang-iwan. Nangiiwan sa ere, kung baga, ganon. Yan ang hindi na nagustuhan sa inyo. Anyways, you have alchemic. Let's see. Number 25. Okay. What's alchemic? Ooh, they feel you are a magical person. You know what? I claim this because I'm an Aries. I'm a sorcerer. So, parang napaka-misteryoso mo na tao, no? Na parang ang daming nangyayari. So, very mystical ka. Very misteryoso na para kang there's something about you, Aries. Yung iba sa inyo is mystical and magical and parang kakaiba. Very unusual. Okay? Parang everything you touch turns to gold. Parang you have the magic to change your life. Parang you can do anything. I feel like yan ang in-admire nila sa'yo. You are full of mysticism. You are full of they're always wondering about you, Aries. Parang na-amaze sila sa'yo. Kasi may kakayahan ka na very unusual. And in fact, yung iba is yan ang kinaiinggitan nila sa'yo. Because may kakaiba kang strength and may kakaiba kang power na sayong-sayo lang. Alam mo yun? Okay. Let's see, what else? Kukuha lang tayo ng 4 dito and then the rest. You're very creative! I like this. I'm also a very creative person. Yeah, they love this about you. Isa yan sa mga ina-admire nila. So, alchemic and very creative. Wow! Nag-join. Okay, so this is your good side and this is your bad side. Okay, mabilis kang mag-iwan ng tao sa ere. Okay? Nangiiwan ka sa ere, kumbaga. Yan ang bad side ninyo. Yan ang mga hindi nagustuhan nila. And you're very wild, antisocial, yun nga, tawag nito, killjoy, karamihan sa inyo killjoy. But the good thing is, the good side, the good thing about you, what they admire, nagustuhan nila, is you're very creative. You're very alchemic. You're very mysterious. You're very, kumbaga, mystic, misteryoso. You feel like isa kang goddess na para kang, alam mo yun, mystic. Okay? And you're very creative. Okay? Very creative people are very, very rare and very unusual talaga. Okay? Bihira lang mga taong creative. Because once they do, pag lumalabas ang pagiging creative ninyo, parang nawawala ka sa mundo, di ba? Parang time flies. Parang may project kang, and I love this. Napapansin nyo ba, Aries, alam ko na ano nyo ako. Once you are once you focus yourself into a certain project, parang wala na. Hindi ka na mapigilan, hindi ka na talagang ini-enjoy mo na and very creative. And you'll be a lot of people who are very creative, are very proud of their work. And I'm very proud of my work. Okay? Ayan. So what else? Curious ako. Okay. So yan ang mga na-admire nila about sa'yo. What else? Mga hindi nagustuhan nila. So, 4 ang kukunin ko, okay? 4 dito sa Oracle and 4 sa Tarot cards. Para sa ating Aries. Okay. 4. Ooh, you have the Moon card. Madami kang tinatago. You're very secretive. Parang yan ang minsan sa mga bagay na hindi ka open, Aries. Yung iba sa inyo, ang mga katangian na ayaw nila is you're very secretive, very parang hindi ka open, palagi kang tingin nila madami kang sikretong tinatago. Okay? Next, you have the King of Swords. King of Swords. Matalino ka. Ina-admire nila yung pagiging matalino mo. But at the same time, matabas ang dila mo. Tama ba? Kagaya ko. Very opinionated and very mahilig kang makipagdebate. Tama ba? And King of Swords, matalino ang mga Aries. Totoo yan. Pag once nagsalita na sila at talagang hindi mapipigilan ng mga Aries. Okay? Lahat tama, but at the same time, minsan hindi sobrahan nyo ng kayabangan, Aries. Parang, you don't back down though. You don't back down to any debate. Hindi ka magpapatalo sa debate. And, mostly because of your high intelligence, nananalo ka. But, minsan hindi mo na na-realize, may nasasaktan ka mga tao dahil sa mga salitang lumalabas sa bibig mo. Tama ba? Yan ang hindi na nagustuhan sa inyo. Okay, you have the strength. Aries, they admire your strength. Alam mo, kasi the kind of strength na maganda to, fortitude ang narinig ko. Alam mo yung fortitude? Mahaba ang pasensya and malakas ang strength. Kaya mong amuin ang isang leon, isang tigre. Kaya mo sa sobrang lakas mo, sa sobrang mong brave. Kaya mong, kumbaga may bagyo, kaya mong patigilin ang bagyo. Alam mo, yung maragas ang bagyo. That kind of strength is so powerful. But, metaphorically yan na. But, when it comes to people, parang, ikaw lang yung kaya mong kalmahin ng isang tao na galit na galit. Alam mo yun, kaya mong i-convince yung tao na tama na, wag na, relax ka lang, yung ganun. And at the same time, you're very strong, and they love your confidence. Because lion is a Leo sign. So, Leo is sign of confidence, and you have power. I love this card, because this talks about empowerment and confidence. They admire your confidence, Aries, and at the same time, yung iba, kinaiinggitan nila yung pagiging confident mo. Wow! Okay, last card. You have the Ten of Pentacles. Alam mo, ang ina-admire nila sa'yo is family-oriented ka, magaling kang humawak sa pera, and mapagbigay ka. Mapagbigay ka sa family-oriented in a sense na as much as possible, as much as you can, Aries, you want to provide everyone in your family their needs, their necessities, as much as possible. If kaya mo, you want to spoil them. You love spoiling your family. Ano pang narinig ko? Marunong kang tumingin ng utang na loob, and marunong kang tumanaw ng sentimental. Very sentimental ka na tao. Yun ang na-admire nila sa'yo with the Ten of Pentacles. And everything lasts for you. Parang, and I also feel that you're very money-oriented and family-oriented at the same time. And very luxurious ka. Okay? Ten of Pentacles, you want luxury. A lot of people are jealous of the kind of lifestyle that you have. Okay, Aries. And they admire you for choosing quality over quantity. Alam mo yun? Like, quality. Like, kahit pa, kung bibili ka ng isang sofa, okay, ina-after mo yung quality kaysa quantity. Alam mo yun? Quality over quantity ka, kumbaga. Okay? So, what I'm saying is, kahit di importante sa'yo kung gaano karami ang friends mo, but the quality, the kind of friends you have. It's the same thing with having stuff or material. Like, gusto mo ng, alin ba mas maganda para sa'yo? iPhone or Samsung? Hindi ka bibili ng kahit ano na lang, ano-anong phone na lang dyan, kung hindi iPhone, hindi ka bibili. Ayun, ganon. Okay, basta quality over quantity. So, ayan, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, I hope nag-resonate to sa inyo. Let me know in the comments, okay? And I'll see you next time. Let me know kung it nag-resonate. And, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na panunood. And I'll see you next time po. God bless, more power, and ingat. Paalam!